In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify account in Pakistan. So to do this, just go and click on the link in the description. That's going to take you to this page where you can also claim this offer where you get a 3-day free trial and then your first month for just $1. Now right here you can see I'm actually in Pakistan with my VPN, which means that according to Shopify right now, I'm in Pakistan. So after clicking on the link in the description, enter your email address right here and then click start free trial. Then in order to start your free trial, just enter a password to go along with your account, and as you can see again my location is set to Pakistan. Then verify that you are human and then click Create Shopify Account. And then I have now created my Shopify account and I can now just go through the onboarding or click I don't want help, and then it's just going to take me directly to my Shopify store. So that's how you can create a Shopify account or a Shopify store in Pakistan. Now actually you can see you can even get your first 3 months for $1 per month. So not just your first month, but your first 3 months if you sign up through the link in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.